Welcome to another video by Dale Wheatley, founder at theoptionshunter.com. Subscribe to our channel at the end of this video, and let's start your journey to financial freedom.
Good evening, everyone. It is 5:27 p.m. on Monday, March 24. Well, just a little more of the same. It's just the volatility keeps declining in price, so therefore market moves up, and that's the way it is pretty much. Can't go wrong with that. But you can go wrong when it comes to option trading because we don't see a pattern for entry that makes it comfortable and makes you confident in what you're doing. So see, we'll take a look at the cues here. And say so 490. An example. See, they were 6 cents on, near the close on Friday, and they moved up to $1.36 today. Well, that's a good move, but you weren't involved in it before it started moving. So if you try to guess at it today, well, you'd bet way too much. So 10 times as much on the open or more today. So you already missed out 1,000% right there. So if you bought it on the open and you tried to chase the strike prices around, 492 or something like that, it's like, what do you get for it? Well, you don't get anything. See how it peaked out shortly after the open and it declined the rest of the day. Huh. Well, that's odd, don't you think? Because didn't the markets close way up today? Yeah, but they pretty much went sideways during the day today. So it's not like it gapped up and kept moving up. That's not the case. See, it moved up and it went sideways, down a little bit, then up. So how do you make any good options trades from that? And even on the or near the close Friday, where do you see a pattern that you could justify? Just don't. Just don't see one there either. The 10-minute chart, see prices way higher. And so it's a technical picture, huh? It supports the move, I guess, but it doesn't give us what we're looking for. So just in case you decide to get all gung-ho and do something on a day that the market seems to be surging, and it basically did surge, but did it? I mean, it closed higher, 1 or 2% higher. Oh, that's good. But see, where is it that we can wrap our heads or our money around it, technically speaking? I just don't see that. It's, it's 3-minute chart. No, I don't see it anywhere. So I don't know what to say. The fact that volatility is declining, but it didn't have a divergence either, just says that the market moves in the opposite direction. So what? What's that mean for us? Means nada. See, just look for a pattern. Pretty simple and easy thing to do. So rather than get involved in something like this that may move higher, may move lower. I don't know what it's going to do. So I'd rather not be involved in it. All right. That's all I got for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow. 7 o'clock tomorrow. Talk to you then.